Hey guys, welcome back to another GLabs tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a free 3D software on your PC. Alright, well let's get started. We're going to go to a web browser and we're just going to search blender.org. And then once we get to the Blender website, we're going to go to the top where it says download. And then we're going to click on the big blue download Blender button. Now, I'm not going to do that because I've already downloaded it, but you can just go ahead and click download, and that'll just take a little bit to download. But then you want to go to File Explorer and go to the downloads section, and then you will see your Blender file there. Now, what we're going to do is double click on that, and that should start the installation. So it'll just take a second to load. And the first thing it brings up is just this box. We just want to click next. And then it just brings up like a user agreement. So we can just say, yes, I accept that, and click next. Then it gives us a couple of options here, but unless you are more advanced in this area, there's no need to really mess with any of these things. It's best just to leave it as default. You can also change the location of where these files are going to be installed. So you can just click browse and then basically just browse to different folders wherever you want it to be. But I'm just going to leave it as it is and just click next and install. Now that'll just take a few seconds, maybe a minute or so to install. Now in my case, it's bringing up a box saying yes to install, so I'll click yes, and there it starts the installation. So I'll just let that run, and once it's done, I will continue this video. Alright, once that was finished, I just clicked finish, and as you can see on my desktop, it's created a shortcut, so I can just double click on that, and that should open up Blender. So it'll just take a few seconds to load, especially because it's the first time. And there we go. Blender is now installed. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, just leave in the comments below and I can try and help you out. But yeah, there you go. It's free, it's easy to install, and it's lots of fun. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.